The only way to guarantee your success, if you really want to be successful in your life, then you need to work on these 4 things. First, write down your goals. Take time and find that what you really want, how you want to live your life in a specific way. And write down, take pen and paper, write down every single goals. Be very crystal clear about your goals. Second, powerful belief system. Believe that you deserve what you want. You are worthy of having it and you're gonna get it. Because when you strongly believe it, it gives speed your desire to make it happen. Third, invest in yourself. Cut all the distractions and invest your time to master your skill for whatever you want to be and be the king of your field. Fourth, never stop trying. Because if you are failing, then this is not the end of your movie. But the day you will lose your hope and stop working on your dreams, it will be the last day of your life. So keep trying, keep going until you reach your goal.